Most of the time you don't include avocados on your grocery list, but this fruit is rich in vitamins and minerals and even essential nutrients that the body need. Listed below are the reasons why you should start including avocado on your daily diet. Avocados are nutrient-dense. This fruit is rich in nutrients. It contains the right number of daily vitamins and minerals your body needs. Rich source of healthy fats. Not all fats are harmful for the body. There are healthy fats like the one you will find in avocados. Helps maintain a healthy weight. This fruit contains fiber which can help you maintain the ideal weight of your body. Fights inflammation. Oleic acid which help in reducing inflammatory problems is available in avocados. Promotes eye health. This fruit is rich in butane which is essential to having a healthy eyesight. Prevents diabetes. Including avocado to your daily diet can help stabilize your blood glucose level, increase nutrients absorption. Eating avocado can help with absorbing the vitamins and minerals your body need, lowers bad cholesterol. Promotes hair and skin health. Avocado is rich in vitamin E which is essential to having a healthy skin, and healthy fats that helps with having a beautiful hair. An effective pain reliever. As mentioned above that it can help fight inflammation, it can reduce pain caused by inflammation. Strengthen your bones. Aside from calcium, the bones also need copper, folate and vitamin K to strengthen, and all this nutrient can be found in avocado. It may help fight off cancer. Research show that consuming avocado daily can prevent cancer prostate and forming inside your body. Improves digestive health. Avocado is rich in fiber which is essential to having a proper digestive health. Regulates blood pressure. This fruit contains potassium which is essential in regulating your blood pressure. Help ensure a healthy newborn. A study shows that eating avocado can be very beneficial for pregnant women. It can help with baby's brain development. Enhances your state of mind. Avocados are brain food. As mentioned above, it is rich in potassium and folate which are essential nutrients for the brain. Provides an energy boost. Eating one avocado in the morning for breakfast can supply you the energy you need for the whole day. Fires up immune system. Avocado is also known for being a natural immune booster because of the high levels of vitamins it contains. Helps brain power. Avocados are rich in copper which perform as a brain stimulant. It can help with cognitive brain function.
So please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button, and then tapping the bell icon, so you will be first know when we post the videos.